Journey back to a time when the world was a playground and every day held the promise of a new adventure. Do you remember the sheer delight of chasing fireflies on warm summer nights, the infectious giggles that echoed through the air as you played tag with friends, or the thrill of building towering sandcastles? Childhood, a chapter brimming with innocence and wonder, is a treasure trove of memories that shape who we become. In a world that often rushes by, it's time to pause, to remember, and to relive those magical moments. Childhood, with its boundless imagination and untamed curiosity, has the power to captivate us even as adults. It holds the key to... As children, we were fearless dreamers, architects of extraordinary worlds born from nothing but our minds. We believed in the extraordinary, in fairy tales, and in the infinite possibilities that awaited us. The world was our canvas, and we painted it with vibrant hues of joy, love, and unbridled enthusiasm. But as the years slip away, we sometimes forget the lessons of our youth. We lose sight of the simplicity and purity that made every day an adventure. It's time to reclaim. Come, open your heart and unlock the door to a world where anything is possible. Together, we will rediscover the magic of childhood and infuse our lives with joy, wonder, and a renewed zest for life.